They must have been tripping, so I left me on my leash.
You like having a seizure.
Thumping, party jumping, show that she's a perfect 10. She rock her hips and roll her hips and drop it down like it's nothing. She just like an hourglass. You see how fast an hour pass. Look it like a pro. Sit and watch it fuck up, go. Do a thing out on the floor. She bouncing fast and shake this hustle. Sexual, incredible. She beautiful, she edible. I got her, I won't let her go. I ain't seen nothing better, yo. Look how she twerk it, the way she work it. Make me wanna hit it heaven when I'm in it. If I do not fit, I'm gonna make it. Girl, you can take it. Don't.
Alright, let's see. This is the last thing we're gonna film before we end the video because dicks. Come on. Damn it. Right above the same one. Got it. Oh, way off. That's it.
That's it? Oh, you got it.
I told you I got it.
Damn. Well, what we mean by got it, it's because we got the center. Well,
yeah, see?
right there.
It was, I saw this one first, no, this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one.
Nice.
See? See, I learned.
Having fun there? Alrighty. Are you kidding? Alright, let's see if I beat you.
Here you go.
Hey, where were you?
My name's Bond.
Alright,
James Bond.
go do that. Do your normal, like,
huh?
like point out. Alright, go.
Wow.
Get in there. Not even close.
Really? Wow.
Let's see what you did. Oh, see, we're trying to hit right there. And Philly got all the way over here. Same level though, at least you got the same level.
Same level.
Just really bad.
Ready?
Go.
I hit it, but not the lens.
Oh,
I got the phone.
shit.
Oh. Oh, right above it. Oh. Stick on the lens. Oh, shit. That's
You're out. Alright, guys. That's where he hit.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Jesus Christ. Ah. You got one. Ooh. That's it, you're out. Yeah, alright, pick those up. That's where it is. So his is closer than mine. Mine was over.
I went on the iPhone round.
Well, mine was down here. Alright, that's enough of that, I guess.